Guys, today in this video we are to show you how to disable the action center in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to disable the action center in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, right click and click on this option, personalization. After click on taskbar, click on here, turn system icon on or off. And here option action center, so if you want to disable, so toggle off, that is. If you want to on, so that is. If you want to off, this is disable. If you want to on, that is. So guys, this is a very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.